Have you ever felt as though you never had enough money despite working hard to earn it? After creating a budget, an unforeseen bill shows up. Or you purchase something you don't even need because of a sale. Why does this continue to occur? You may be surprised by the response. It's about your mind, not just math. In this video, we'll show you the money-related hidden tricks your brain employs and how to finally outsmart them. We frequently believe that money is all about figures, including bank balances, salaries, and bills. However, our actions are what really determine whether we succeed or fail financially. Our habits, anxieties, and decisions all play out the true story of money in our minds. We refer to this as the psychology of money. By comprehending it, we can begin creating a future that makes sense for both our wallets and ourselves, and cease making emotional financial mistakes. Let's examine 5 mental pitfalls that could be preventing you from moving forward. 5 biases. Let's examine 5 typical mental strategies that can negatively impact your financial situation. Loss aversion. Loss aversion is the name of the first mental trick. This indicates that the joy of making the same amount of money is not nearly as strong as the pain of losing it. For instance, even if your investment portfolio increased by $100 just the previous week, it still feels awful to watch it fall by $100. During a market downturn, this fear may cause people to panic and sell their investments, resulting in a permanent loss. The easy solution is to concentrate on your long-term strategy. Give up daily investment checks and have faith in the process you initiated. Number 2 is anchoring. Anchoring is the name of the second bias. At this point, your brain becomes fixated on the first number it encounters. For instance, it seems like a great deal when a shirt that was originally priced at $100 goes on sale for $50. What if, however, the shirt was only ever worth $30? Because you were anchored to that initial high price, you still overpaid. To overcome this, always conduct independent research to determine the true value of an item before making a purchase. Don't let the first price be your deciding factor. Number 3 is confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is the third mental trap, Party 1. This indicates that we are prone to seek out information that supports our pre-existing beliefs. For instance, you might only watch videos that convince you that buying a new car is a great idea. Reviews that highlight the issues are disregarded by you. This may result in costly errors. Establish a rule for yourself to combat this. Always seek out viewpoints that contradict your own. It will enable you to see the big picture and make a more informed decision. Number 4 is sunk cost fallacy. The sunk cost fallacy is the fourth bias. Given how much you've already invested, this is the point at which you keep throwing good money after bad. Let's say you purchase a costly concert ticket, but on the day of the event, you become ill. Even though you'd be better off resting, you might still make yourself go because you already paid for it. When it comes to money, this entails hanging on to a poor investment or purchase simply because you spent a lot of money on it. Ignoring the past is the best way to overcome this. Make choices based on what will benefit you in the future, rather than what you have already lost. Number 5 is social proof. Social proof is the fifth and last bias. At this point, we mimic what others are doing merely because they are doing it. Even if it puts a strain on your finances, you may feel pressured to follow your friend's lead if they purchase a new phone or take a costly vacation. Keep in mind that you are not in their financial position. Your financial journey is unique to you. Don't try to keep up with people with all of your life savings. Make decisions based on your objectives, not those of others. In summary, we combat loss aversion by adopting a long-term perspective. By investigating actual value, we outperformed anchoring. By looking for alternative viewpoints, we can overcome confirmation bias. Ignoring previous losses helps us avoid the sunk cost fallacy. And by concentrating on our own objectives, we disregard social proof. Recall that awareness, not perfection, is the aim. Making wiser, more composed financial decisions starts with simply being aware of these mental traps. One idea at a time, you can rewire your financial habits. Which of these biases do you find most difficult to overcome? I read all of the comments, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Monetive for more easy-to-follow advice on managing your finances. Thank you for viewing.